All right, so now you're adding weights. So is that 1 or 2 plates?
That's 3 plates.
Oh, 3 plates.
Yep.
Does it have to be completely flat or just clear, like where the wheels? Like in terms of how flat it lays?
It just has to clear the track. There's like a groove that the wheel goes on, but I prefer it to be flat.
Okay.
And I go get different screws.
Alright. So let's take a closer look. So this is Abel's car. We had to dip it twice. I think it turned out pretty cool. And apparently you're supposed to wait for it to fully dry before you dip it again, but we didn't do that. But it still looks cool. It's hard to tell all the little detail. And then this is Noah's car. It looks like a little piece chipped off on the top there. It's okay. And then you're working on Simon's car. So put the weights, and then those are the wheels. So have you weighed everything together?
Uh-huh. But I haven't weighed it with these screws. I need to figure out what the difference is.
All right. So what is the weight again? 5?
5 ounces.
All right, so you just put all the parts on there?
Mm-hmm. So altogether, it'll be a little bit more.
It'll be too much?
I don't know. Let's find out.
So you have 3 plates, a car, 4 wheels, nails and screws.
Yep, that'll be just it's like right on the border. I can try it. We'll see.
What happens if it weighs too much? What can you do to make it? Because I know it can be under, but it can't be over, right?
Put all of my secrets on the internet, aren't you?
Yes. Well, people want to know. Like, imagine like 4 or 5 years ago when you started doing this. If you had the knowledge you do now, like you should share your knowledge, your wealth of knowledge.
So people who actually know what they're doing will be able to beat me even easier next year. Beat the kids.
Oh, so
this
you.
This is some tungsten putty.
Oh.
On Amazon for like $8. Just an ounce of putty.
Oh, so you can just take some of that out?
Take some of that out.
That's
It
cool.
was about, before that, it weighed in at about 4.7 ounces, or 131 grams, I think.
Mm-hmm.
141.75 is 5 ounces.
So you just took a little bit out.
Mm-hmm.
And you put all the pieces back on.
That's still right at 5, but it's dropped a gram, so I can probably get away with that. But if not,
It's an easy fix. You
yeah,
can just
I can unscrew it.
take a little out. That's really clever, Joe.
Well, so 2 years ago, I got like a canopy weight.
Uh-huh.
Like, remember the car Noah had that had looked like the Batmobile and it had a bump on it?
Yeah.
That was 3.5 ounces of solid weight.
Mm-hmm.
And he was like 2/10 over according to the scale when I checked him in. And I had to just absolutely destroy his car to make it qualify because
the wood doesn't weigh much.
The wood, that year especially, the wood was like an ounce, like total.
Yeah.
I had to, and it was really not a pleasant experience. So I had to, like the night before with like a Dremel like boring out the bottom of the car, and it looked so cool before that, and then I basically ruined it just so he could race.
Yeah. So you have
This is just a regular.
a lot of your tools here you have purchased or had gifted to you specifically for the sole purpose of doing Pinewood Derby cars. Is that correct?
Yeah. If you have the right tool, it makes a whole lot of difference in how easy or
Yeah.
hard the job is. That's true for everything.
Well, yeah, that is true. But that's just how many Pinewood Derby cars you foresee yourself doing.
I made like, I don't know, since we started, I mean, we've been in Scouts for like 5 or 6 years, right?
All right, it is Friday night, which means it's pizza night. Get some $6 pizzas from Little Caesars.
Yes.
And it's Simon's turn to pick out the movie this week.
Yes.
Simon, where'd you go? What movie do you want to watch? Do you know?
Not yet.
You don't know yet?
I really I have some good ideas for him.
All right, well, we'll have to look and see what our options are. All right, so here's how we do movie night. Dada picks up some pizzas, usually from Little Caesars because they're inexpensive. The boys set up a blanket on the floor
Little Caesars
in front of the TV.
is very cheap.
Yes, and we have a picnic and they have drinks. And each week they get to pick, one person gets to pick a movie.
Next night is June's
And
night.
this week is Simon's night. So he's gonna look and see what movie he wants to.
Next night's Mom and Dad's night.
Oh yeah, next night Mama and Dada get a pick.
You mean you and Dad?
Yeah, we get to pick. You're right.
And then the night
But also tonight Dada has to take your Pinewood Derby cars.
that we showed you in the
Hey Dada, will you show the Pinewood Derby cars the final product to us? All right.
I saw mine.
Because it was upside down when I put it in and you
So there's Noah's car,
Noah's.
and there's the weights.
That
I don't want
is
them to rest on the.
that metal part is a weight. And
Yeah.
it also has some of this something putty.
Simon's.
Yeah. All right, so here's Simon's finished product. All right, hold on. Hey, we didn't see it. Give us a full, slow spin. Looks good in the bottom. More plates. Hopefully everybody's weighs in at the appropriate weight.
The max or the min, which is nothing.
Well, you want them to be under the maximum amount, or right at, I guess. And this one is Abel's. Let's see. Focus. That looks cool. Give us a slow spin, Dada. Very cool, guys.
That looks very cool.
So later this evening, Dada's gonna take them to
Wait,
get them checked in, and the race is tomorrow.
yeah, we're gonna watch who wins on the TV.
Yeah, we're gonna watch it on TV this year. See what? I just let him in there. How do you get out?
Good boy.
Found it.
Was the other end opened?
Yeah.
Oh, you sneaky little puppy.
I think somebody left it.
All right, Simon, have you decided on a movie?
I either want to watch Detective Pikachu or
Well, we can look on, you're on Netflix, we can look on Disney Plus, we can look on Hulu.
I want to choose one of these two movies.
Is that even a movie?
Yeah, look. Did you say play episode 1?
All right, we'll figure it out. So I didn't ever wrap up our last video where Joe was working on the boys' Pinewood Derby cars. They had the race yesterday, and I would have shown it to you, but it was all virtual, and that would have been just weird showing you our TV screen. But all of our boys did really well in the race. They all, at one point, because they all do multiple races in all the lanes and against a bunch of different other cars, and they all at least, I think once, either got first or second place in various heats, And Simon's car actually got second place in the entire pack for speed. So I think, I don't know what happens next. I don't know if he goes on to the next district. I don't remember. I think the top 3 go or something. I don't actually know. I have to talk to Joe about it, but they were all really pleased with their results and had a really great time watching it from home. And it was nice because then we could give the link to the live virtual race to like my parents and Joe's parents, and they were all able to tune in from home and watch the races, and that was a lot of fun. So yeah, and then today is Sunday, and we helped do some more work and cleaning and stuff at my parents' old house because they moved. Trying to help them get it ready to put on the market to sell, and because my mom's leg is broken, she can't really do too much, so we've been trying to help out a little here and there. It's just kind of hard because the kids, you know, can only do so much. But now it's a gorgeous day. I might try to go spend some time outside. I don't know, we'll see what we end up doing. I'll see if I can show you some more of what we do for the rest of the day. Everybody's having a little bit of screen time right now.
I just made it to a new area.
What are you playing? Breath of the Wild?
Yeah.
Legend of Zelda?
I got to the stable.
Cool.
I'm gonna go take my horse.
Cool.
Look on
These guys, are you guys playing Minecraft, watching YouTube or something?
I'm trying to YouTube Kids. Okay.
Oh man, look at our garage. It's such a mess. We really need to clean this out. We had those big bags of dirt in here, and then we had the satellite dish. We canceled our DirecTV, so now we have to dispose of that. And then my parents gave us these bikes, but we've decided we don't actually want them, so we're gonna donate them. And then we have some old kid bikes we need to donate, and toys we need to clean up, and then put some bikes back on the wall, and just generally clean up out here, Abel, don't we? We need to clean up. Yeah, and then we can fit our other car back in the garage, maybe. It used to fit at one point. We're almost done, Joe. This is the get rid of pile. The bikes are up on the wall, and the skateboards and other things. Got lots of trash to take out. And this isn't all permanent, but at least you can see the ground. And the idea is that all the toys will go in a bin with a lid. We can put them on the back porch where the kids can play with them. And we have to get some more things to put on the wall to hang some things. And probably clean the shelves in this area a little bit. But we got a lot done out here. Doesn't look bad. So yeah, I think we're done cleaning for today. It's gotten warm. All right, I need to go get a drink. So it's a little while later now, and we had a really great weekend. We did Pinewood Derby on Saturday and the kids did really well with their races. And Sunday we helped my parents do a little bit of cleaning and stuff to their old house that they're trying to sell. We also cleaned out our garage, and you may have seen that just a minute ago. And then we just kind of hung out as a family. It was a beautiful day outside, so we spent some time outside, played with the dog, and that's pretty much it. It's been just a really great weekend, and looking forward to this coming week. And I'm glad that Pinewood Derby is over though, because it's a lot of work, but the kids really enjoy it. So thanks.